just pull out blindly. Nothing will go wrong. Of course not. Oh, that could have been bad. Left turn regret.
They are not the men who are the theoretical benefactors, or not benefactors.
No, stop.
Yeah, Gino, especially in those younger days, made a lot of people look good. Yeah.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. It's still red, dude. Really?
Well, he's just, you know, I locked him out of the room, and now he's barking. He's going crazy. That's what they do, these puppies. But on the East Coast shows I have leaving from fear.
Really?
Opening the gigs.
But I'm streams, dum streams. We gotta wait to cross when the thing's about to turn green. Bad. Stop it. Now's an exit dive. Nope. A nice cutoff too. Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
That there's something beyond this world that counterweights all of what seems to be a bunch of unnecessary suffering. Now, I don't believe there is by being raised in high weirdness, but I'm sympathetic to the desire.
Back up a shame.
To find people with healthy alternatives.
And even a court case that allegedly established precedent for the back of his claim. And all of that is good enough to get him a hearing. Yeah, it worked. So it's day one of Mickey's lawsuit, and
exit dive.
Was going to argue against him because, you know, this is fucking absurd.
So you got tail light out.
For the hotel.
Draw that out if not do it. Well, let me say happy birthday to me.
Today is your birthday, Bill?
Yes, sir. 71.
Well, happy birthday. That's a lot of candles.
Small
fire. Exit regret and nice cutoff.
40.
Although he's still exiting, but wait, he's staying. Where are you going? Make up your mind!
I think after that, everybody asked you.
Just then we meet. Exit dive, we street. What? I can't sing worth a damn. Perfect. It's a perfect exit dive.
You're the psychologist, not me, so you can help. But
nope, not a psychologist, just a registered professional counselor.
Gotcha. Okay.
There was a car there.
Professional counselor. So maybe.
Well, probably birds, probably reptiles. Something about fish and octopus.
It sounds like we're toying away now our own ego.
Really, no stop.
The singularity of
our
animal kingdom is.
Red light run.
Dudette is not in keeping with the parlance of our times. Now, littered in here is a bunch of language that relates to the movie.
Red light run.
Parlance of our time.
Bow down to the kings and really? Really?
Way up until colonial America, and these were called palisades. Later, and then into the Roman and the medieval period, they started using more mortar and stone. And the higher the walls were,
should just move over, dude.
These walls, in terms of angle, anyway. No, I don't have another rope.
Right, of course. But I just.
We've got rocks. Georgia rock.
It's like no one can do anything right.
Rocks, exactly.
When Bichota went through the gate, he checked for danger signals. The towers were empty. There were no roaming armed guards. It looked like some peaceful, deserted farm. There were no vehicles in the garage. In fact, there were no vehicles in sight anywhere, which surprised me. It made him want to learn business. I was speaking with him, still puzzled. Graziella led them into the drawing room where the Duchess was reading. The Duchess waved the
really?
Annoyed by the unannounced intrusion.
My husband is away. Can I help you?
Giuliano could not answer her. He
Of
was
course,
stunned by the beauty of
because
the
you're
room. It
freaking
was the
clueless.
largest
You're
he had ever
driving way
seen.
too
And more
freaking
amazing,
slow.
it was
And
round rather than
stop it!
golden crates. He only had a few packets of money left when he decided to visit his mother before nightfall. Crossing a field,
No, stop.
he encountered a little boy and a little girl.
Maybe you need to approach it at the beginning. But who knows what your position will be in the future.
Dear, oh dear, oh dear,
This on my honor.
oh dear. Get out of the street. Get out of, go, run, go away. What do you do?
Palermo to buy supplies. Giuliano had not seen her for perhaps 6 months, and she had grown taller and slimmer in that time. She was tall for a Sicilian woman. Long legs
Hey,
that tottered
you're
on
turning from the
high
middle
heels.
lane. Stop it!
She was only 16 years of age, but her face and form...
Probably won't let this email get to you because they
Yeah, you're sitting on the wrong side of the street there, buddy.
So my real father was in prison. My stepfather in my family also did too. So in a very complicated, you know, like a very complicated blended family, which I talk about in those terms.
Wait, what's it? Red?
We have the Jehovah's Witnesses collect found us at this point in history,
And so that's, I mean, the Great Replacement theory, that white nationalist, racist, Great Replacement theory that can either be anti-Semitic or anti-immigrant.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
I mean, you can't let Canandaigua wreck you. It's bad enough if the county does. It's bad enough if that's what Freddie Freeman does.
Red light run.
But the Oscar gets right.
Doug Williams, Salmon, Dewey and Leroy Salmon.
No, stop.
They fell short. Obviously, if they completed it, it would have been remarkable. But even if they fell short in LA, they forced the trip back to LA. They showed tenacity.
Red light run, red light run. There's no truck ran the red light.
Yeah, but oddly enough, the secret deal of cannabis.
Dude, you realize you don't have headlights on? I bet you have your stupid, DLR lights on. And it looks like you can see something, but no one can see you when they are behind you. You gotta fix that. Stop it! Turn them on! No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But this is not Connecticut. This is 490. We're Fairport-ish. Pittsford, East Rochester. We're east suburban hellscape of Rochester. There's no truck restriction here, so you're fine. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!